Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why is Peter always getting those toys? It's not a Christmas. What is the problem? He always has some new stuff, testing it, playing with it, working with it. So yeah, I bought this a while ago from Ace Hardware because there's not ever enough of great rechargeable lights. You know, I reviewed these browns from Harbor Freight. You are fully aware of it. Look, this one broke. I did break it. I even used so much of this epoxy to fix it, and it still works super awesome, this one. I bought 4 of those. One of them only didn't survive in 4 and something years because it fell while doing timing belt. It fell in the coolant. Despite the fact I tried to grab it as fast as possible, it never worked again. I have 3 right now. This is the worst. The other 2 are totally fine. I reviewed for you this Milwaukee. Extremely awesome. If you own the Milwaukee line, I have all these tools, the power tools. So I have these batteries. I have the bigger ones with the flat. This is absolutely awesome. Bright like crazy. This is really good. Super strong magnet. It clicks on the car in most areas. I guess for aluminum Fords it will not work on them, but Toyotas, the ones I work on, they are made of steel, metal. So super strong magnet. This is really great. Well, why did I buy another one? Because there's never enough of good lights, right? What it's for us really important is that super strong magnet on the bottom. This one I see through this package. There's even hook. There will be a charging cable. These are always, in my opinion, the weakness. That miniature connector on that cable, the same on the browns. I try always to be as gentle as possible inserting it on that cable on charging, but I will say this is weakness because that cable, it's that old one which is asymmetrical shape, super finicky. If it was USB-C, the latest symmetrical one, I think it will last longer. But even something bigger, that old-fashioned power source, that will be the best. I don't know why they have to use these. I have this for a while, as you know me, and I always wait for you to open it, huh? Because I want to share it with you. I want to give you unbox and immediately usage to see how it works and so on. I'm really bad at it. This is my problem. The YouTube is a problem for me because I can't immediately. Oh, well, the first impression, wow, sturdy, heavy, not too heavy that it will not hold somewhere, but wow. Well, I'm glad you heard me. So look what it does. It doesn't go continuously. It will stay in certain areas. This is amazing. So I see some lens here. Here is that huge LED. That will be my use, obviously. Here they say magnet and the hook. Yeah, you see it, I'm sure. I have to fix this lighting here in this shop. I have to do a lot of stuff. Here I can see that charging connector. That will be very similar or the same, the weak spot of that entire unit. Let's see if it's charged. I just unbox it. Oh yeah, look, there is a blue indicator, and that will be obviously showing us how much is remaining in the battery. This is good. It will, I'm sure it has different levels. So that was because it ran for a while, it went off immediately. The browns, if you go quickly, it will change the intensity. It's the same here. So wait a second. Oh, the second is even brighter. Woof! 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 Woof. So okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how you switch it to this thing? Maybe you have to hold it. Oh, look, it recognized that the main thing is closed. And you can even have this flashlight. This is already even good if you fully charge it and you go camping with it. Or Star Wars. Look at it. I don't want to blast you in the face, but I just did. Ho ho! Did I have a too long day and I'm losing it a little bit? It's completely possible. Any problems in this world, huh? Everybody, all of us are under a lot of pressure. So, I'm working on this 99 taco. She got first time P0420. I want to look on that oxygen sensor, which is reading all the data. Let's go together there and see how it works. So this is one of the browns, which is not broken. So we know it has also different levels, right? It starts on 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 was very tiny light here. Also like here the flashlight, but this is way more usable. This one, 1, 2, 3. Look, this will probably not work so much on you like the one from this one. Let's compare it. Oh yeah, I can see it. Yep, sorry for blasting you in the face, but we are testing it, right? So, let's compare apples to apples. Brown, boom. Pretty, a lot of light. Is it filming? Oh yeah, I didn't have that monitor correctly. So you can see me even, right, the brown. Boom. The magnet, pretty good, pretty good. Oh look, the camera. What's up with this metering? I have to figure it out. Why is it getting so crazy? I know, because I have it on the center. Sorry for that. So, once again, the brown. That will be usability of that. Now let's feel. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This brown is very strong too, so I will say comparable. The strength of the magnet. This is also soft. It should not scratch paint on the vehicle. It should not, because it doesn't have any sharp edges. Yeah, I will say very strong too, and boom. How that looks to you? Comparable, right? We are comparing comparable. But this is the low one. So 1, 2, it's the bright one. That's a lot. Let me compare it. The new one might be a little bit stronger actually. It's interesting. 1, 2. There you go, 2. But yeah, definitely. Good stuff, I like it. Again, this is absolutely brilliant, and this one turns like a brown. It's a 270, I believe. So definitely good stuff. The brown will always win because it's absolutely thin, right? This is easiest to insert anywhere in the vehicle. This is more robust. I don't think I will ever use that hook, but you know what? Never say never. If you don't have any metal to clip it on, now I can work this way. So maybe it's usable, who knows? But I really, really like it. And I'm glad I was able to share it with you. So here is Toyota Denso O2 sensor. This one is responsible in telling the ECM if the catalytic converter, which is right here, but it's aftermarket. I can see this is welded on this vehicle with 150,000 miles only, already had this catalytic converter, this little part, welded on. Because the flange, which is right here, and it was used for Toyota part, was basically welded on. Nice weld. I will say whoever did that is a really good welder, but that's not fixable Toyota way anymore. There might be needed entire header if she wants to go that way, but first I was going to look on this one. I checked the live data. Everything was coming good from it, but I want to see if it's cleanable a little bit. Also, her code was not sticking around, it was coming in and out for her, but it was P0420, catalyst converter inefficiency, right? That bothers a lot of people. The good news is that unless she's selling it, she should be fine. Keep driving with it. She doesn't have to invest in the repairs anymore. The bad news, you see how insanely bright it is, right? This is crazy. Look, I'm holding it really far from me. This is really serious light, yeah? So the bad news, what I discovered, her front driver tire has a bad wear, and sure enough, inner tie rod end has developed. I was helping her in the last 2 years working for her. So this tire, when you look at it, has a crazy bumps. Like if you look here, it's like this is sticking above the other areas. A huge uneven here. If you run your hand, the other one is not. And sure enough, it's caused. Yeah, it's really rough. I can imagine when she drives, she has a lot of noise. This tire and the remaining tires, including 2 in the back, they are smooth. Outer tie rod and inner. But this one is not smooth. It's bumpy like crazy. And when I'm moving it, there is a huge play inside of this dust boot. So you see how this light, FEIT light, yeah. How can we see you? Oh yeah, look here. You see how it's nicely working. This is definitely pleasure to use. Let's finish. Now it's a review of the light, doesn't matter, right? We can show you, I can still show you what I'm talking about. When you grab this, I can even move, when I grab this is outer and inner is here, I can even move it this way, right here, that ball joint, which is that you can even hear it. This is not me moving the car. There is a huge play. Unfortunately, she will have to deal with it. I can feel it there. If I remove the boot, you will see it. So as usually, thank you for watching and supporting this channel. You can see this light works really good. I will say it's a definitely keeper. I have any little thought of returning it or something. No way. This will stay with me and you will actually see it in the future videos. So thank you for watching. Please share your own. Oh, it's nice. This is in the focus. I'm not important anymore. It's true. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestion to even better light for me, let me know. I will save some money and go get it anyway. There's never enough of good lights. See you later, my friend.